Guys, I'm literally not even joking. You remember the video I just made just a couple minutes ago, right? That I called that 000000000 number? Well, guys, I'm literally not even joking. Do you guys hear any noises in my house? What the freak? Yo, I just heard something outside. Yo, guys, I think... What? You guys, I think there's a killer clown in my house. Yo, guys, please, if you have any questions. Yo, I'm hearing noises in this house. Guys, seriously, I don't know what the hell is going on in this house, but if you guys have any questions or anything, can you please subscribe to me? Or if you want, you guys could share it with your friends or anything. Cause guys, something's not right. I called this number 999 after the 000 number. And now I'm hearing crap in my house. I'm hearing noises outside my window. I'm hearing noises inside my walls. Guys, whatever you do, do not try this at home or at your house. I'm out of here.